Hi friends, and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Courtney if you're new, and just the other day I shared the Ninja Swirl and how much we loved it. Today I was going to make mint chocolate chip ice cream, and there was some gook on the black part. There's a black part there, and I thought I really thoroughly cleaned this entire unit. It is impossible to clean that part unless you just blast it with water. You can't really scrub this black part, and that gets a lot of ice cream on it, because when it's like that, it will get the ice cream on it. Then it's getting water trapped in here. There is constant contact with the plastic. I just called Ninja. The associate or the supervisor I spoke to says, oh wow, oh wow. They're gonna escalate it. They want pictures. I had a similar issue. If you look up the Ninja Slushy, I come up on my other channel, Know Your Produce. So I've had issues with this. So just like the Ninja Slushy, this is a huge sanitation issue, especially for me. I'm probably gonna be returning it. I'm gonna wait and see what the supervisor says. They want pictures. I waited, I think it was like 3 months with the slushy, and I ended up having to keep it because I fell out of the return window, but there was no resolution. And I really had high hopes. So I don't think there will be a resolution for this because it's such a new product, and I don't see them designing a new one right now. There may be a Slushy 2.0 and a Ninja Swirl 2.0, and I hope they take this into consideration. If they maybe had sent it out to people who actually test it and not just promote it, maybe they would have found this out. This has been drying for hours, so this black part is still wet where it's in contact. I can see moisture in it every time I close it and open it. It's not getting dry. It's probably gonna take days, and I can go like this and dry it like with a cloth, but I can't dry that black part, so it keeps getting wet every time I open and close it. This piece just came off. That's all it needs to do. Just this piece came off. I see no other issues wrong with this. If they could just design this over again so that it comes off, I doubt they will, then this issue wouldn't be an issue at all. I don't know if you guys can see it, but check yours. I'm sure it's got gook on it if you didn't wash it well and rinse it like open like this, but there's just so much moisture in there. And that's with wiping it down with a washcloth, wiping it, trying to dry it. You should be able to wash that part. All right, I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but yeah, I don't think I recommend this unless they fix it. Bye, friends.